All right, this is a quick tutorial on how to navigate Classlink. So I'm going to share my screen and we're going to get started. All right, so I'm going to pull up a student account. Just as a quick refresher from the last video about Classlink, to get to this page, you go to Joplin Schools once you're logged into a Chrome browser, and then it will be right at the bottom, Classlink. Or you can go to the Joplin Schools website, go to staff, and find the Classlink Launchpad login button. So once you're here, you can either use your student's quick code, little passcode thing, or if they're logged into Chrome, you can just click sign in. So we're going to sign in and go to the home screen, which is known as the Launchpad. What we use Classlink for is basically a location to house all of the websites that we use in class, and then students can access it. From here, if they access it, it saves all of their passwords so that they can get into anything that we use in class. But just as a backup, in their class planner, I have placed their logins for all websites that we use in our classroom. So, all right, once you're here to the Launchpad, you're going to see a lot of different resources that the district has linked for us. The number one resource that you will use for virtual learning is Google Classroom. So that would be this icon right here. The students do also know to go down to the very bottom of their screen to their backpack. Once they go into their backpack, it's going to take them to our class. You will see a section for every classroom teacher and specials teacher. So you'll see their homeroom, that's me. I am also their teacher for math, reading, science, social studies, and writing. I have trained the students to go to this homeroom button. It's the one where they will access all of our things. I've housed it kind of in one place. They can go to some of the specified subjects if they want, but it should all be here under homeroom. So once you're in here, they can click homeroom. To see the different apps and all the websites, they'll need to go to this left column here under homeroom. I won't really be posting announcements in Classlink. That would be more things that I would post in Google Classroom. But there will also be discussion boards and apps. So the apps is all the websites. So here are several different websites that we use on a regular basis. They have another link to Google Classroom in here. Extra Math is our fluency, Epic is our listen to reading, Zern is our math lessons, Think Central is our reading, and then some students use SAM HMH to do software. They know who they are if they do that. And then lastly, this is our class website. So they can get into here from anywhere. If it has the little key on the top, that means that their password is saved and they can quickly access this website, and it will automatically log them in because it's saved within the system. I'm going to go back to the backpack. I did notice there was one website that is not on there, and that is Prodigy. So Prodigy is a math gaming system that they absolutely love, which is a lot of great math practice. So if you go over to math, and then down to apps, you will find Prodigy there. And like I said before, if it has a key, it has saved their password in there for them. So let me go back to the main dashboard. This takes us back to our backpack. If you wanted to go back to the first page, that would be on a new tab. So when you open up your backpack, it does open up a new tab. So that was a pretty quick little tutorial. It's really simple to get into Classlink. And like I said, the biggest resource for Classlink is that it saves passwords so students can just get into the websites that they're working on. So hopefully this helps. Hopefully you can navigate this quickly and easily. But as usual, if you have any questions, please give me a call, email, or text, and I'll be more than prepared to help you. Thanks, guys. Have a great evening. Bye.